I got the panels nice and aligned here. Full sun for a while. They've got a nice coating of pollen on them. I just washed them the other day, but we'll see what kind of difference we get. From dirty panels, let's see how much power they're pulling in. They're 3 200-watt panels. And right now, they're bringing in 435 watts. Let's see what we get after we wash them. All right, here we go. Get in there and just give them a... I got a little soap on here. I'll just try to do a real quick one because I did it yesterday. But springtime, it really does come down. I'll try to do it fast. I want to do a good job. At the same time, they're pretty warm. It kind of helps. The water's warm too. A little hot from the hose, so I'm not shocking the glass. All right. Make sure you get all the soap off, because that might inhibit sunlight. I'm not sure. I'm just speculating there. All right. Let's see what we get. See if we have any difference. Sun is in the same spot. It's still lined up. I haven't moved it. We had 430 some watts. What do we get now? 480, 490. A little higher. So that does make a difference. Keep your panels clean.